Hi guys, we're going to talk about essential oils. Are you ready to start? Let's start. Okay, so the red one is make me feel better a long day, so it can make me big and strong and healthy that I can keep playing.
Can you show me how you use the red one, please?
Should I put it on my foot and show it? Okay. This is what I always do. Like you rub it on your foot, then it feels so much better. Then you put the cover back on. Then we put on the pink one.
What's the pink one for?
And you put it on your wrist in case you fall down, then you get a scratch, then really itch, and then it makes so better.
Do you remember what's in the pink one that makes your skin feel better?
Lavender.
Lavender, that's right.
And Melaleuca.
Melaleuca. Good job, Bubba.
And then the orange one. The orange one makes you feel better a long day. So it makes you.
Do you remember how you use that one with brother? Do you remember what you do?
Then you put it on your ear, and when he pulls on it, then you rub it a little bit. Then
can you show me how you put it on brother's ear? You can do it on your ear so that you can show me.
Okay. Then it feels so much better, and then we rub it like this, then it feels much more better. Now,
do you have a favorite one that you like?
The purple one makes me sleepy because it makes me really go to sleep.
What does it smell like?
It smells like Melaleuca sometimes, and it makes me so good, and I really love it.
You do? Okay. What's the next one?
Then the brown one, like when you throw up, then you rub it on your tummy in a circle. Then it feels much more better.
Wow, Bubba, I really love all your oils.
Thank you. Bye. I hope you learned about essential oils. Bye.